Hi, I'm Rerides. We're going to sticker up another one of my frames. See if you can figure out what this is before I completely unwrap it and tell you. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so what we have is a 1994 dirt bike. This one is going to have the dirt bike Dookie decals set that I have on my website. So this set includes the large one-piece down tube decal, the seat tube spade, head tube decal, the back of the seat tube, top tube, and also for the top tube or wherever, down tube, wherever you want to put it. It's the 4130 Chromo made in the USA decal. So that's the set. This thing needs to get tidied up. Needs to just give it a wipe down before I decal it up. We've got a set of pitchfork forks here to do as well. These will go together. Okay, let's go. So the first decal we're going to put on is the down tube. Pretty much goes just up from center, like so. You just want to touch press it first, make sure it's in the right spot. As you can see, I've gone too high, I need to pull it back up. There, we just missed the gusset. So push down from the center. Given we pulled it back up, we need to be pushing down extra hard. So there we go, down tube decal on. Now we'll do the seat tube. So nice and high up here so we miss the brake boss hole. Next up we'll do the head tube. So head tube's on. I'm going to use the black 4130 Chromo decal, and I'm just going to put it at the back on the down tube. So next one, we're going to put the back of the seat tube on, which is the hoe, I guess that's what this is. Again, we've got to go up high because we have to miss the little brake hole there. That one's on, and the last one is the top tube, is the rake. I've just gone back a little bit rather than dead center, come back on the top tube a little, and there is our frame. All stick it up. Frame's a little bit rough, but this will be a rider, not a show bike, that's for sure. Now we just want to put some pitchfork decals, red ones, on the forks. That's one side. And there's the other side. So So there is our decaled up 94 Dookie dirt bike. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know, leave us a comment down below. Also like and subscribe to the channel, really helps me out. 94 dirt bike done. Just a little caveat, it's actually a 95 dirt bike that I've sticked up and told you it's a 94. But that's okay. These decals and all my other decals are available from shop.rerides.com. That's shop.re-rides.com. Okay, thanks very much. Catch you all later.